So the main changes are with waterproofing is that some of the dimensions have actually increased. Okay, so for instance, for shower wall waterproofing, the walls of the shower cabin are not less than 1800 above the floor substrate. So you need to increase your waterproofing to that height. And in addition, 50 mil above the shower rose. And if the shower rose is to the actual, in the ceiling, if it's a ceiling rose, you need to increase your shower waterproofing to the very extremity at the top, up to the actual ceiling height. Okay, so falls to waste is the next important section which we cover off on. So where floors to waste, you must make sure it runs into the actual outlet. Okay, so it must be, for a floor, it must be a minimum of 1 to 80 and a maximum of 1 in 50. That's the main changes there, which is now mandatory with the changes. Handheld sprays is the next section where you have to account for, I guess, overspray. Thanks very much. So you must, to the radius there, 1500 mil radius, 900 mil for class 1 buildings. And yeah, or any junctions there. So it just must be absolutely, put the waterproof membrane out to those extremities. Right, so the solutions are that you need to put a screed in to fall to waste. Now Mapei produce a range of slurries, so that's where you actually, for a bonded screed, okay, so that's your top Chem Ponto slurry there, and you add the Planicrete SP, which is the additive to mix them together. So that's actually a slurry to bond it, and that's your actual screed, and then you go across here to the faster drying screeds there. So with the Mapei Chem, okay, this one here dries in 24 hours, where these ones here dries in 4 hours, so a very quick turnaround. For your waterproofing, we have a range of waterproofing membranes. This shower waterproofing kit, that's enough to do a standard 4 square metres of a standard shower. It's got everything in there, it's got your primer, it's got your tape as well as your waterproof membrane. And of course, showers are larger than 4 square metres nowadays. So also, which Dahlsens stock is our Aqua Defence membrane there. That's enough to do up to 15 square metres. And the tape here which goes into the corners, so where something meets something, the wall meets the wall or the floor meets the wall, you need to put a membrane tape in there as well. So you paint it in on the first application. So if you're looking for waterproofing solutions, Dahlsens is certainly the place to go, where the stores can either order in, and a lot of the targeted stores do carry a range of our Mapei products throughout the Dahlsens network. We're very much a solutions-based manufacturer, so Mapei develop a lot of solutions. For instance, this here, these are all online. We have easy to guide references to, say, do a shower recess. There's also a fast track system too, where you get the whole shower recess turned around in a very short period of time. So yeah, these work method statements, they are downloadable on the internet, just on them. There's nice diagrams on where everything goes, but more importantly, there's steps. It all starts off with substrate preparation, all to the Australian standard, and then it goes through your waterproof membranes, which includes the Aqua Defence, through to your screeds. An important feature on the actual website, the blue writing are hyperlinks to further information. So you click on that on the actual live website. They are downloadable, they're writable PDFs. So you can actually, it helps the staff select the right product, helps the builder select the right product as well. You can actually write in the dialog boxes. So when you hand over kits, the builders can actually put the site address on there, tick the boxes off which products they've used, and that counts for we do site product warranties for specific sites, so that helps you with your handover kit. Just gives you satisfaction of mind that A, from a staff point of view, you're providing the right information, but also as a builder, you're giving the right information backed by the Mapei organisation. Yeah, it's very good. When I first started, it was Mapei, of course. I think the old Australian way to say it, but it's actually Mapei. So the Italians like to say Mapei. So the right way to pronounce it, Mapei, is Mapei.